I really enjoy this time of year with the awards ceremony, Community Awards, and that's what it's about. All about people from our communities across the breadth of North Wales, celebrating what they've done in their localities, and sometimes even broader. That's had a massive impact on the whole of North Wales as well. So really looking forward to this evening's event. My phrase and my sort of strapline is being like rooted in the community. This is the celebration events that's going to take here this evening really sort of solidifies that and amplifies it as well. It's all about being rooted, being really connected to our communities, and listening to what people have got to say. That's really important, and not only listening but taking action as well from what's been said to me.
It was nice to step on stage and to be recognised for all the work that not just me but mental health services do in general. We're a very depleted team which go above and beyond to support those who need us in the community. So it's been an honour to accept the award, and not just myself but on behalf of Tim Duffer included. Together we can do so much more, so working collaboratively with police is something that I strive to keep going.
The winner of this award is Leola Roberts-Briggs. Please come to the stage, Deganwy.
It was incredible to be recognised for everything I do, but most importantly for me it was more about recognising everyone that's been involved in my journey and the people I've met along the way, and also hopefully encouraging more young people to get involved in volunteering. I think for me it's always about giving back to communities, whether that's where we live internationally, just making sure that young people especially feel safe and have a voice and can get involved in what they want in their communities.
I think the biggest thing was just wanting to make sure that I did Hannah proud. It means a lot for us as a charity, and I think just to be able to see after all of the dedicated work that Hannah's done on behalf of us all and for all of our young people over the last 3 decades, to see that get recognised, to see Hannah celebrated, and because she would be the last person to celebrate herself, so to make sure that we can do that for her is really important. And it's been incredibly important being able to work with Hannah myself over the last 8 years, and to see a small amount of that 3 decades has been hugely important, and I think it's made me the youth worker that I am today for people as well, to be able to learn that from Hannah.
This evening we've recognised and celebrated the hours upon hours of work, weeks upon weeks of work, year after year of commitment and dedication shown by the many different type of people living here and working here in North Wales. But every single person we have celebrated tonight has an important trait in common, and that is the desire to help people and to make life better and make life safer. And all of our winners have sought to improve a corner of the world, a part of someone's life, a whole community. You've demonstrated how much you care and what can be achieved by caring and getting out there and doing something. I am truly humbled by all your efforts. I am pleased to shine a light on what you do, to share with everyone the shining example you set. Once again, to you all, I say thank you.